Wow, I just love these images. Hi, we're just back from Rajasthan, from a very small village which is quite popular to bird photographers, particularly those who are interested in shooting raptors in action. Guessing what is this place? Let me take you through a virtual journey to that place where I just came back from.
Tal Chhapar, a blackbuck sanctuary and also a home to several species of resident and migratory birds, especially raptors. In this expedition, we were carrying the Canon RF 100-500mm lens, and we were so impressed by its amazing features. We had to shoot under scorching heat and dust. However, thanks to this lens, we didn't have to worry about these adverse conditions, and we could focus only on our photography. Like in all RF lenses, the RF 100-500 also comes with the rear lens control ring. This ring can be customized to control a variety of settings such as shutter speed, aperture, exposure compensation, or ISO. It gives you a quick way of adjusting key settings without taking your eyes off the viewfinder. The quality of the images, even at the super telephoto end of 500mm, is brilliant. At 700mm with 1.4x teleconverter or at 1000mm with a 2x teleconverter, the image quality is simply outstanding. There are 3 IS modes in the lens: IS mode 1 for stationary subjects, IS mode 2 for panning, and IS mode 3 for subjects with unpredictable movement. Even with subjects like these, shooting completely handheld was very easy. The results were just amazing. The lens achieves a minimum focusing distance of 0.9 meter at the 100mm end, allowing you to shoot close-ups of subjects that are very close to you. The lens gives you amazing quality of images with sharpness across from the center to the edges.
I've been using this Canon RF 100-500 lens for over a year now. This lens has a good 5-stop image stabilization and a great autofocus system, which helps really in taking action and birds in flight.
Having RF 100-500 in Tal Chhapar, I got an excellent bird in-flight shot. Object tracking and autofocus functionality really works amazingly.
That was an incredible experience. The Canon RF 100-500mm proved to be just brilliant. Wondering where I would be heading next? Stay tuned.